How do birds get infested with parasites? Have you ever wondered how birds can become hosts to various parasites? It's a fascinating topic that connects to bird rehabilitation and conservation efforts. Birds can get infested with parasites through several natural pathways related to their environment and behavior. First, let's talk about intestinal parasites. These include roundworms, hairworms, tapeworms, and cecal worms. Birds often pick up these parasites by ingesting eggs or larvae found in contaminated soil, litter, or droppings from other infected birds. For instance, hairworms can burrow into the lining of a bird's intestines, causing ulcers. Tapeworms attach themselves to the intestinal wall, leading to health issues. Some parasites have a direct life cycle, meaning birds can become infected just by eating eggs from their surroundings. Others need intermediate hosts, like insects or earthworms, which birds may consume, completing the parasite's life cycle. Next, we have external parasites. Ectoparasites such as lice, fleas, mites, and flies often resided in the bird's nest material and on the birds themselves. They feed on blood or skin, and they can easily move between nestlings and their parents. Birds try to control these parasites through preening, which is grooming their feathers. However, this behavior can sometimes spread parasites. For example, some parasitic worms use lice and fleas as intermediate hosts. When birds preen and accidentally ingest these ectoparasites, they can become infected with the worms. Blood parasites are another concern. Birds can be bitten by blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes and flies, which can transmit blood parasites, including those that cause avian malaria. These parasites live inside the bird's blood cells and can significantly affect their health. So, how do birds get these parasites? They can ingest parasite eggs or larvae from contaminated areas, eat intermediate hosts that carry parasites, come into contact with ectoparasites during grooming, or be bitten by blood-sucking insects. Understanding these pathways is essential for bird rehabilitation. Rehabilitation centers often treat birds for both internal and external parasites to restore their health before they are released back into the wild. Preventing re-infestation involves maintaining clean environments, controlling intermediate hosts, and monitoring for blood parasites. These measures help conserve bird populations by reducing disease burdens and improving survival rates during recovery. By focusing on these aspects, we can better support bird conservation efforts and ensure healthier bird populations in the wild.